Okay, guys, we're back. We're still opening. Do you believe this? I had to make 2 videos. One's really, really long. Mercy, mercy, mercy. Okay, I'm going to hide the goodies back in here because I don't want you guys to see them before me. We look at them all together. Sandra, did you know you were going to have enough here for 2 videos? Oh, Lord. Come on, untie here. Don't mess it up, Rhonda. There we go. See, this string is valuable. Would you look at this? Unbelievable. Look at this lace. It's on the front of the glassine bag. And of course, oh my God. The glassine bag is loaded. The lamb botany. Look at that. See, I just did not. Oh, stamps! Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. I am so grateful. Oh Lord. God blessed me. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at this. Oh, look at the little dictionary pages. Oh, I hope you're on screen. Look at the giant cards. Look at that. A recipe card. I was invited to do a recipe swap the other day and I couldn't because I didn't have any recipe cards. Well, guess what? Now I do. Now I have recipe cards. The best is yet to come. Oh my gosh. Sandra, I'm going to make such a cool journal with these. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Look. Gratitude changes everything. Well, yeah. Look at my beautiful evening, and I was kind of down in the dumps. Look. New Orleans playing card. Whoa, 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 Rhonda. Be careful. Look at this. See, I'm telling you, she absolutely loaded every single thing and dressed it all up. Springbok. Look at that. Regular bridge. Oh, it's a bridge card. You know, I've never seen one of these. Never seen one. Live and learn and get crazy, wonderful presents like this. Wow. Wow. I'm so blessed. No way I am ever gonna. This is like one of the best gifts I've ever had. I love that New Orleans. I just got some other cards, but they have butterflies on them. Oh my goodness. Sandra, Sandra. Okay, so the next one up is this one. And then we have more. We have more, you guys. I really like those giant playing cards. I'm going to have so much fun. So much fun. I don't want to mess anything up. I don't want to mess anything up. I'll put that in something so I do not lose it. Wow. Okay, so then this is a paper bag. And you knew. I knew you don't get just a plain old from Sandra. Look at all the bingo cards. Look at that. This beautiful bag. And I'll put everything back in there. There's bingo cards. Bingo cards. Oh my goodness. Do we remember these days, guys? I remember those days. Wow. But it's cool that it has the graph paper. Here's some notebook paper. There's some that she wrote the beautiful note on. Here's some more that says notes. There's so much you can do with. Look at this beautiful bird. Oh, it's a postcard. It's a postcard. This is a postcard. Look at how beautiful. Hotel registration. free shows markers pad, and a contract score pad. Look at that. Again, these are all things I've never seen. And I think that's what makes the swaps so much fun, is you just never know what you're going to get. Never, ever, ever know. So that's cool. Again, we've got a loaded envelope. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Blank on the inside. Lovely. Lovely. And then this is some corrugated. I wonder if because I have the machine you roll your paper through that makes corrugated paper, but it doesn't make it this nice. Believe in yourself. Be bright. Wow, Sandra. Jeez, oh whiz, this is so cool. No wonder you said you were having trouble finding a box to fit all of it. Okay, so let's go with this. This is absolutely perfect. Perfect. Look at this. Yay. Oh, look. I love stuff like this. Look at this. A little envelope. Old time beer. Whoa. That's cool. Look at this. Look at this. I see this going in my Christmas stuff. Oh, look. Oh, look. It's a die cut, huh? Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Man, nobody's ever given me one of those either. Wow. To Judge Farmer Lip. This is beautiful. Oh, look. Tim Holtz. Bridge tally. Here's another bridge tally. Sandra, do you play bridge? Here's an index card. There's some beautiful circles. Wow, you guys, I wish you could feel these. These feel fantastic. Wow. Here's an old guest check. You hooked me up, girl. Here's another guest check. This is players, first rubber, second rubber, third rubber. We, they, I'm not sure what that went to, but it's cool. Spontaneous hit list. Look at the receipts. The coffee dyed receipts. And join us. That is so cool. Again, I tell you, I'm totally blessed. All right, and there's still more. We're almost to the end. Now these, I had gotten some from another YouTuber, and I mention her name a lot, but I'm only mentioning Sandra's name here, guys, because this is all about Sandra and her generosity. I mean, who would have ever thought? And I sent her some piano paper, and I think I sent her some tags, some pre-cut tags, and a few pre-cut pockets, some vintage wallpaper. We traded piano paper. And you know what's funny is I'd been putting little things in there over time, and I can't remember everything. And I wonder if she, I mean, I could never remember how much stuff that I would put in a gift box like this. This is incredible. So this, I'm going to leave just like that. And then I'm going to fold it over, and I'm going to make a mini, or I might cut it in half and make two little journals. This will be, I've been using these for the spines. Just so cool. Oh my goodness, I see Bohemian for sure. Look at this. Okay, so let's get to the center here. Oh my God. Look at this. Yeah, I definitely see. I mean, I'm doing a Paisley journal. You did your homework. That's going to go nice in my Paisley. I have some fabric like this, but it's got different. It's kind of like this, but it's got tractors and different things on it. Would you look at that? Again, there's just things in here that I have not seen. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look at this. Y'all know the fun I'm going to have? Do you know the fun I'm going to have? Beautiful. Look at this. This feels like it used to be maybe a tablecloth. And it smells good. This is gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at this. And we're still not done. Nope, I've got a couple of little tiny packages in there left to go. Look at that. If that doesn't say boho, there is no such thing. Look at this, boho. Oh, I'm going to have fun. I am going to have fun. Look at all of this. Okay, so then we have this huge pack. It looks like charms. But before I go too far, I want to put it back in the box so it doesn't get lost. Because I am in the midst of putting together a craft show table. And I don't want to lose all my goodies. Okay, so that'll help. All right, now we got buttons. Looks like more. Ooh, look at all this. Let's just open this up. Oh, I love these little bags. So fun to open. Look at all of that. The tabs, the tabs. She told me about the whale tabs. Look at these flowers. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Look at little whale tabs, medium whale tabs, large whale tabs. Those are cool too. These are cool. Wow. More flowers. Oh, look at the charms. I don't know what it is about charms, but I love charms. I love charms. I'll put these away so I don't lose them. And then I love this stuff. See, this is totally going in my Bohemian journal. And then look at this. There's a music, paper clip, a heart button, a little cockatoo, a little safety pin, a little ticket, and then some jewels, little like lace jewels, more fancy buttons. I love my buttons too. More buttons, colored bulb pens, some paper brads, and can't tell what this little guy. Oh, it's an elephant and a frog and a bear. Look at this. Look at the keys. Look at this. Oh, that's one of those. It's a brad, and you put it in, and you can hang your dangles or your tassels and stuff off of it. Beautiful keys, beautiful hearts, beautiful little brads. I'm so lucky. More. Look at F for Fox, my last name. Look, she even put a little ribbon on the package, a pink button, some bling. Now, I would have given my right arm for Scrabble tiles. Oh, look. This is just beautiful. A bicycle. This is just beautiful. I don't know where to say or begin to say thank you, Sandra. This is one of the nicest. Look at the beautiful heart. Look at the little clock and wax seals. Look at the wax seals, guys. I don't want to break them. I can't begin to tell you thank you enough, because this is just way far and above anything that I expected. And I want to tell you from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And you made this junk journaler happy. I want you to know it took me 18, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 minutes to get through this box. 34 fun-filled minutes to open all of this. I can't believe it. So I hope you enjoyed yours half as much as I enjoyed mine. This is just beautiful. So guys, this is what junk journaling and swapping and trading and meeting new people is all about. Again, Sandra, excuse me, Sandra, thank you. I so appreciate you. And I'm just going to put all of this to good use. And you do have to tell me if you, did you paint this? Is this your work? Because it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.